Then he is on fire. You get the logic? Yeah, you get this. When we have no idea what is going on, then we improvise. Yes.
It's coming. I know it. I have the feeling of it. It's coming. I can sense it. I know this feeling. Right before it comes. Yes, it's I can sense it. I can nearly see it.
What is it?
Yes, oh, I have the flavor of it in my mouth, on my tongue. It's right. It's coming.
Is it interesting? Is it? It was. That's when you kill it. When I kill my idea, I am not improvising. Just stepping anywhere. It's pure gold. And then taste this one.
I love my dog. He's such a nice one. He loves me too. stays with me every day. He's so smart. Some people think he's a bit dumb. But he isn't. You just have to open your heart to him.
Beauty. The power of beauty suddenly touched my heart. Not the kind of everyday beauty. Are you ready? Are you fine? Have you done your homework? Did you get everything that you need? Is your luggage filled? Isn't it too much? Sometimes it's too much.
So fragile. One moment, and it's broken. Find it. Gently. Be it.
Don't do it. Be it, do it, be it, do it, be it. To do, to be, to not to be. Where are you?
Yes. Is this you? Sure.